Industrial emissions, traffic, construction dust, and wildfires lead to pictures like these. Sometimes the impact of bad air is obvious when you are walking in highly polluted cities. But even while playing with your kids in a park, you could inhale harmful particles which are invisible in the air. Those particles can harm your lungs, resulting in decreased lung function, aggravated asthmas, or even in premature death. Luckily, smart monitoring systems can help to improve this situation by identifying sources and understanding local air quality. This helps cities and communities to trigger countermeasures. All you need is a reliable, high-performing air monitoring system. And this is Sensirion's Nubo Air. This air sensor solution offers various advantages: reliable and trustworthy air quality data, easy deployment and integration, less maintenance and operation costs, future-proof and sustainable investment, benefit from highest quality standards, market-leading sensor solutions, and Sensirion's trailblazing innovations to make sure that your project will be a success.